Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up, guys? Pizzle's Tech Time, back with a quick video for you. And I just picked up this USB 3.0 card reader from Best Buy. It's the Insignia brand. It's pretty much the only thing they carry at Best Buy, so I didn't have much of a choice there. The reason that I picked this up, I just purchased this computer, and if you're following my channel, you would know that. And if you're not, I'll put a link right up there where you can watch the unboxing for that video if you feel so inclined. So I just purchased the computer, and CyberPower decided to put a USB 2.0 card reader in a $3,000 computer that I just purchased. That's absolutely ridiculous because USB 2.0 is 60 megabits per second transfer speed. USB 3.0 is over 600 megabits per second. That's a huge increase that you're getting from 2.0 to 3.0. Now, when I'm trying to transfer 4K files from an SD card to my computer so I can edit, render, and upload to YouTube, I already have enough bottlenecks, being my internet connection and just everything else that you run into as a creator, and I really don't want one more when it comes to just getting them off my camera, which is why I wanted CyberPower to include the card reader in my computer, just to make it a little easier for me. So that didn't end up working out for me, so I'm guessing a lot of people have the same problem, because when you buy a computer, they'll include a card reader, but it's probably a USB 2.0. So this right here is an advanced memory card reader. It's USB 3.0. It includes an SD micro and a regular SD card slot and a compact flash card, which I have no need for the compact flash, but I have it if I need it. Let's just go ahead and unbox this bad Larry right here. Now, Best Buy has a couple choices for these. If you wanted a smaller one, let me just open this bad Larry. Got some instructions. I got this one because it comes with a pretty long cable. It's almost 4 feet long. I think it's 3.5 feet. So this will give me the option to lay it down on my desk, and I won't have to reach over to the tower every time I want to install it. Okay, so cable is a nice thick cable. Not bad, guys. Not a cheap cable. So that's cool. Just a small little box there. The Insignia brand is right on the box. Wrapped twice. Insignia brand right on the box. Sorry. Okay. And not a bad looking little guy right here. Okay, so we've got the Insignia branding. We've got your USB 3.0 right there. And then we've got the card reading slots right there. Got your micro, your regular, and your compact flash. And then on the bottom, you got some more branding, some specs, and you got 4 little ding-dongs to keep it from sliding. And it's a very light plastic USB 3.0 desktop card reader. And I'm gonna plug this in. So I will see you in a second over here at my desktop. Okay, guys, I've got the USB card reader installed into a USB 3.0 port in the back of my computer, and we are going to go to the File Explorer here, and we are going to click on the folder which the SD card is on, and we are going to try to move one of these files over. Okay, let's try another one. That was way too quick. Now, the reason that went over so quick is because I already had moved that file over. So this one is 11 gigabytes remaining, and we're looking at 86 megabytes per second, which is awesome. That's what we wanted. If you come over here, 80 megabytes per second is the throughput of USB 3.0, and 640 megabits per second. That's exactly right. So this hub is performing as it should. It's actually giving me a little bit more than it should, which is awesome. So I think this hub is well worth the $20 that I spent for it here. Now they do have some other choices here. This one just plugs directly into the port and you don't have much space to work with. This is the one I purchased here, and it comes with a 3-foot cord, and I really like that. So you can just have a little bit of room to work with. So they don't have too many options for these guys right here, which I was actually kind of shocked. They really only have Insignia. They should really have some more options here. So Best Buy, if you're watching this, there should really be some other options other than just Insignia. But I guess if these things work, that's fine. But I would love to see some other brands here, and I would love to see some actual in PC options that you can install inside your PC. So that was pretty much all that I wanted to show you guys, was that this is actually working double the speed of, more than double of what I was getting before. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, you can subscribe to my channel, Pizzle's Tech Time. I'm uploading videos weekly now, and I have 176 subscribers right now. You could be one of them. And I got some cool videos coming out over here, and uploading all the time. So I'd appreciate if you subscribed and help me out. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Later.